Reliance Precision Manufacturing Ireland Limited, or RPMI as we call it, is a family-owned business in Bandon, County Cork. The company was set up in 1970 as an extension of Reliance Precision Limited, a specialist engineering company based in Huddersfield in the UK. At that time, RPMI was primarily focused on the manufacture of high-accuracy ground racks for the machine tool industry. Today, RPMI remains part of the Reliance Group and serves as the global distribution and precision manufacturing hub for Reliance's range of standard products, producing couplings and gears, as well as the racks that started it all. All of our standard products can be easily modified in-house or assembled as part of a more complex integrated solution. For example, we perform end machining and inspection of lead screws, but we can also assemble and test more bespoke assemblies, often in a semi-clean or clean environment before they are packaged and shipped. At RPMI, we also produce ceramics used in quadrupoles for mass spectrometry. Ceramics are manufactured to strict tolerances and are sent in carefully matched pairs to our site in the UK for assembly. Our inspection department makes sure that all of the components and assemblies we ship meet the requirements of our customers, many of which are also based in the EU. All our inspection and manufacturing is carried out in a temperature-controlled environment to ensure the highest possible standards and accuracies are maintained. RPMI is accredited to ISO 9001, AS 9100, ISO 45001 and ISO 13485.